Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Word. Today's word is asset-backed securities, or ABS. Now, this is an important financial function when it comes to financing illiquid securities. Let's say you're a lender and you have a credit card portfolio. You can take all your credit card portfolios, all those loans you have to all those people that use your credit cards, and you can package them up through a process called securitization. And you can sell those cash flows of getting paid back off to investors in an asset-backed security. These are similar to mortgage-backed securities, MBSs, but they're not mortgages. They could be leases, loans, credit cards, royalties, etc. Hey, asset-backed securities help produce cash flow for retirees and people who want to buy these ABSs, and allows the company that owns the securities to have that cash so they can relend it out to do a new deal. Now, as a side note to asset-backed securities, David Bowie, a very famous singer, we probably all know him, David Bowie issued asset-backed securities against his royalties from his record portfolio. Today's word is asset-backed securities. It's an important part of the liquidity function of financing relative loans, credit cards, leases, all kinds of securities that can be packaged together in what they call an ABS. Today's word is asset-backed securities.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.